Okay, let's continue with our Revit layout here. Okay, so we came up from the basement. This is the first floor, and we are gonna go around and up to, we need to connect to this main piping. And see, I think that what I'm gonna have to do is, let's look at the section view. Let's go closer. I know I'm not going to be able to fit that in there. Let's go right click and look at that view. Yeah. I think that, let's go down, 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 down. I think I'm going to have to make a 45 in here, because that is not going to fit. Are we gonna let me do that? Oh, okay, good. Ooh, I don't want to do this, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. Okay, so let's see how close we are to the sloping, because this can be tricky. Section view, let's get a reference and let's look at that view again. That's not too bad. I'm going to change my graphics display here, and what I need to do is detail line. Let's go back. Man, this is going to be tricky. Okay, and let's do another detail line up. This is what I should have done here. Go over, get my dynamic. Okay, now let's see if we can do some magic here. Let's extend, and it looks like I'm gonna need to drop down. Wow, I don't know. Man, to drop down, that means all of this has to drop. Sectional view, let's look at the overall here. Where am I? I'm here. Overall, that means all of this is gonna have to drop. So I'm going to select all of this, okay, and select that, this. I'm going to get that one too. So I think that might look like, and let's go back to the section view. So what I need to do is the top horizontal, I need to align that with this bottom horizontal. Let's see if Revit, how much leeway Revit is going to give me. So far so good, so far so good, so far so good. Let's get it a little closer. Let's go down, 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 down. I'm going to go past because it looks like this top part is above. I want it in the center, so I'm going to bring it down just a little bit more. Okay, a little bit more, maybe there. I'm going to leave it there. Oh, let's see. Okay, now let's use this guy and go back and trim. So I'm going to trim here, here, and delete this. Go back to my floor plan view, and let's drag. Well, let's see what kind of fitting I have. You know, let's go here. Y combination, that's the one I want. Say okay, and I'm gonna drag this over to there. An error occurred. Okay, wait a minute, wait, let's go back. Let's extend, let's see what happens. Let's do this. Can't create, let's go back. Section view. Dang, it looks good. Is that sloping? Man. Let's see. Wow. So I think, oh man, this is, I think that what I'm gonna do is change my settings back here. I'm gonna change this to a sanitary T. Reducing sanitary. And let's see what Revit does now. Let's extend. Extend. So it will accept a sanitary T, but it won't. Can I? What? I can't make that fitting. Yeah, something's not right with that. I don't like that fitting. I don't like that fitting. But I'm gonna leave it. Let's see if we're counting the fixtures. Fixture unit, yeah, 65, okay. I'm gonna leave it like that. I mean, it's not perfect, but I don't know why. Can I just not? Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it alone. Let's see. Looks like everything is okay. Overall, well, let's see what's going on with the architects. If we're, I don't like that. Let's go back. What I'm gonna do instead is look at this view. What is this? 3, 2, and go to this 3D section and look at this view. 2. Okay. We are here. Where are we? We're on the second level. Okay. Oh, we're here. Okay. Oh, I was looking here. Make sure that I'm inside the building. Yeah, it's dropping, but it might come out. Where am I? 3D, this one. So, oh, okay, we're okay. No, I want to look at the urinal. Where's this urinal? Okay, here, that's the one I'm looking for, where it drops. And is it dropping? Here. 3D section. And it's here. Okay. So, yeah, it goes down in the wall back here. Okay, that looks good. So I was looking to see if it was coming out at this plane, and it's just barely making it back. Okay, let's do, I don't know if that's gonna make any kind of definition or not, but yeah, okay. So yeah, we're inside. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Yeah, we're inside here. I think it's this one. But I'm more concerned about that one. Okay. Oh, we're under. Okay. Okay, so that's, once we go down, yeah, the pipe is going, because this pipe is under the first level, and we go down. Let's take a look at, I'm going to rotate that 90, and let's just bring this guy down here, and should be going through the wall, beyond, yeah, here, through the wall. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Okay, yeah, okay, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. So, yeah, so that's how it is. You know, you gotta, it can't be all nice and clean, like there's no problems, and Revit is just gonna automatically make things. You have to really look at what you're doing, and a lot of times Revit is not gonna give you what you want, so you have to, you know, trial and error, and see what's gonna work. Just like this fitting. I don't like this fitting. This should be a wire combination. But anyway, a combo wire fitting. But I'm gonna leave it like that. But yeah, everything else looks pretty good. So far, so good. Okay, so yeah, so I had to make a few adjustments in this area, but yeah, we're coming from the basement and to the first floor, and we're collecting all of this waste and sanitary sewer. Okay, everything looks good. What was it, 65? Yeah, 65, okay, so it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that, and I will talk to you guys later.